Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute little card using a few products. So we have here the Ladybug Builder Punch that coordinates with the Ladybug stamp set. And we're also going to be using the Host Only Designer Series paper, Design A Daydream. Okay, but before we get started with our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we're going to start off with our paper pumpkin kit. I do not have the current advertisement for the paper pumpkin kit because I'm recording this video a day early and the new one has not come out yet. So, but there is a link in the description box for you to subscribe to the paper pumpkin, and you can always click that link and you'll see the latest advertisements for the paper pumpkin, as well as it will be on my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com. Next up, we have our kits collection. Kits collections during the month of June are on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. These are the kits that can only be found online at stampinup.com/kits. It does not include the paper pumpkin kits, but these are the kits that are available like at limited time, because once they sell out, they might replace them with a different kit, or they might replenish them. We never know. So you just have to hop on over there to see what's available. Lastly, we have our June host code. This is the host code that I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. If your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will be eligible for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, okay? This code can always be found on my blog or on my Facebook page, Honeybee Stampin' Hive. And that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started with our project. I have a couple of pieces of designer series paper here. They are 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And this one here is 1 1/2 by 2 3/4. Then we have some, what is this? Old Olive cardstock, and that is 2 3/4 by 4. And our base is Old Olive at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Then we have 2 pieces of Blackberry Bliss that measure 4 by 5 1/4 and 2 7/8 by 4 1/8. Then we have Blackberry Bliss at a 1/2 inch by 3 3/4 or 3 1/2 or 3. The length can be whatever you want it to be, as long as it fits across your Old Olive piece there. Next, we have our inside piece that I've already gone ahead and stamped. And this is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4 of basic white with a 3/4 inch piece of the designer series paper at the bottom. Then we have some basic white for stamping. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our stamping. Let me see. So we're going to need these 2 pieces to stamp. And we're going to be using some Blackberry Bliss ink. And I'm going to stamp our Ladybug body first. We're going to stamp this. I'm stamping it on the left side of the paper because of the way the stamp is set up. Then we're going to stamp in, petal pink. And we're going to stamp the wings of the Ladybug. And we're going to stamp those on the right side of the paper. Let's do that again, because I don't like the way that, and I did it too low. Okay, we're going to have to use that one because I'm not doing it one more time. So we can close up the petal pink because I'm done with that. And then we're going to get our Blackberry Bliss and fill in our the spots on the wing. Hopefully I can get this lined up I wonder if it's easier to do it the other way. Let me see. I'm going to see. I'm going to put that there. And then I have to go back to the Petal Pink, don't I? I just want to see if it's easier to line it up with the dots first. Oh yeah, it's easier to line it up with the dots first. I think so anyway. Oh yeah, okay. I like that. And then we're gonna stamp a leaf. Let me see, let's move this over here. This is mint macaron. And we're going to stamp a leaf right there in the corner. Okay. And that is all of the stamping for the basic white. We can go ahead and punch this out because I'm going to have to fussy cut that leaf. So we're going to go ahead and use our punch, the Ladybug Builder Punch, to punch out our ladybug. I want to get this lined up in here. Just so. And then we're going to, oh, I need to cut this because I stamped the wings in a different spot. So we're going to cut out our wings. Come on. Get those nicely lined up. Punch that out. Okay, so we have our ladybug punched out. Next, we're going to go ahead and stamp. You get rid of this scraps here. We're going to go ahead and stamp on our Blackberry Bliss before we fussy cut. So what I'm going to do for this is heat embossing. So let me get my scrap. You guys know I use my grid paper over and over and over and over and over. And I'm going to use our Embossing Buddy, which is coming back in the new mini catalog. So you guys will be able to purchase this soon. If you want to purchase it now, all you have to do is join my team, and you can go ahead and put in your pre-order. Joining my team consists of purchasing the starter kit, which is $99 plus tax. You get it shipped for free. Okay, our sentiment says, you can bug me anytime, and we're going to stamp that in Versamark. For your $99 for the starter kit, you can add anything that Stampin' Up sells in the starter kit. Okay. Now we're going to put some white embossing powder on that. So up to $125, you get to choose any products you want to put in your starter kit. And you'll be getting a paper pumpkin kit. Oh, we don't want to close that yet. And a business supply pack. And then you get to enjoy all the benefits of being a demonstrator. And a demonstrator, all that means is you have the ability to sell Stampin' Up or buy Stampin' Up at a discount. You do not have to sell. You do not have to make videos. You can just join and get the discount. It's up to you. It's your business. You do with it what you want. But I would love to have you on Honeybee Stampin' Hive as a team member. So we're going to heat emboss this with our heat tool, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're all done with our embossing. So now what I'm going to do, I have the Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch, and we're going to banner the ends on this with this design. So we're just going to push it in this first slot that is made for a 1/2 inch strip of anything. So there we go with that. And then we're going to fussy cut out our leaf. This should be an easy cut. I do want to leave a white border. And try to stay in frame. even though I need it close to me so I can see. Okay, so now we have all of our pieces. We can start putting things together. And we're going to start with putting our inside in after I burnish our base here with our bone folder. I should have waited to burnish that. Let me get my multi-purpose liquid glue. I'm thinking I should have put a blackberry layer on this. That would have been cute, I think. Made it stand out more. But I didn't cut it, so. Then we're gonna take our designer series paper, the largest one. We're gonna put that onto the Blackberry Bliss layer. It's just like a 1/8 inch border. Oh my goodness. Looks like I need to change my trimmer again. My trimmer blade, rather. Okay, and then on this old olive piece, we're gonna put our other designer series paper. And we're gonna just glue this right at the bottom. Right at the bottom. It should be the same size. Okay, then we're gonna take this, oh, I used a scrap. We're gonna take this and layer it onto this Blackberry Bliss piece. Oh man, I have embossing powder somewhere still. Try to line this up. Okay, so now we're gonna take our layers and put them onto the card base. This is a new thing of glue, so it is coming out pretty quick. I have to remember not to squeeze so hard, or we'll get fat. Okay, so then we're gonna take this and lay it right in the middle of our card. Try to do it straight. That looks pretty good. Okay, now we're going to, let's see. I want to put this on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. Should I pop this up? I don't know. I think I'm gonna pop it up. Let's put dimensionals on that. And since it's a dark color, I'll use the black dimensionals. The black Stampin' Dimensionals. These come in a combo pack with the regular size dimensionals and the minis. Oh, I do have one more. I was gonna cut my edges. So we can go ahead and put that there. This is our sentiment. And I want to kind of have it at an angle. I don't want it on there straight. Just to give it a little more, you know, interest, a little pizzazz. Okay, now let's see. We need to adhere our wings. And so I'm just gonna put a little right at the, of glue right here. Try not to squeeze too hard, because I just need a little. This is actually my first time using this stamp set in Punch. I don't know why it's so cute. I bought it as soon as it came out, and then I never used it. So when I bought it, it was in a bundle. So it was in the last, I think the last mini. Now it carried over to the new annual. It's not a bundle anymore. So that is something to think about, because when you purchase things in a bundle, you save 10%. when you purchase them together. So now they're not bundled, so you can't get that 10% discount. So if there's something that you want, and especially if it's in a bundle, you need to go ahead and get it, because like right now it's the last chance list for the what is it, January to June mini catalog. Yeah, so there's probably some bundles in there that are going to carry over to the new annual catalog, but did not carry over as a bundle. They're going to be separate, so you won't get that 10% discount. I think I want to pop the Ladybug up. So I do still need to cut my dimensionals. I just go around and snip. Snip, snip. So let's see. I'll use a couple of these bigger ones. Then a few of the smaller ones on the sides for the wings, or by the wings. And that'll be that. So we're almost finished with this card. Let's see. I'm gonna pop this up about right there. Going that way. Now all we have to do is add our bling and we will be done. So what we're going to be using for the bling, where did I put it? Oh no, oh no. Oh, here it is under my Versamark. The iridescent rhinestones, jewels. So let me open this up. These are so pretty. Oh my God, let me put it on something because they are gorgeous. I love these things. So we're going to use our take our pick tool to add a few of these on here. I'm going to get a couple of these big ones to put on the sides of our sentiment. Then let's see, they have medium and small. I'll use a medium one. I do believe I can put it there. And I think that's good. That is good. That is our card done. Isn't it cute? Look at it. I love this. It's so cute. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.